Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss Unit 4, Part 4. Unit name is Carriers in Selling, and Part 4 topic name is After Sale Services. As the topic name suggests, after sale means to say when product has been sold to the customer. After selling the product, which type of services are provided by the company to customer. So after sale service refer to various processes which make sure that customer are satisfied or not. Services are good or bad. It means that sold products and services meet and surpass the expectation of customer. Is the customer satisfied with the product services or not? Is the product fulfill the requirement of customer or not? So selling process is not over after the receipt of order. In fact, customers are the asset of every business, and a good salesman must try his best level to satisfy his customers by his services at the time of sale and even after selling the product. By demonstrating care about his customer, salesman build a good relationship with the customers which can bring them back to the organization again and again, and he will take the product from same outlet afterwards taking the one product. It means it depends upon the relations. If relations of salesman and customers are very good, in that case ultimately customer will repeat on the same store. Under after sales services, the organization plans a follow up call. It means they will call to the customer or visit by the salesman to ensure that everything well going on, customer are happy or unhappy. It is to check if the product is received on time and without any damage during transit. If such is the case, the salesman should arrange for replacement. The salesman helps customer with instructions and warranty information. Any problem or complaint should be handled promptly to leave customer satisfied. Every type of services are provided by company to customer when product is delivering at the customer workplace. If any type of product is defected, any type of warranty period is left, all such services are provided by the company to customer to make it a repeat customer. After sales services techniques, how to contact with customer to keep customer happy, generally following after sales services are adopted by the organization. First one is regular contact. Salesmen professionally stay in touch with customers even after selling the product. They call them once in a while to exchange pleasantries. They will call to the customer, ask for the product feature. Are they happy with the feature of product? Are they happy with the services of company? If any problem is there, they will try to sort out the problem on the same time. Next is sports services. Sports services, some services are given after selling the product, that are also known as sports services. It means when company has sold the product, after selling the product, company will install on the same time, maintain, operate, everything is the part of sports services. They give them the necessary support to install, maintain or operate a particular product. They will also give a manual guidelines how to operate with the product. For example, sales professionals selling laptop must ensure windows are configured in the system and customers are available to use net without any difficulty. Similarly, organization selling mobile SIM card must ensure that the number is activated immediately once the customer submits his necessary documents. All such things are the part of sports services. Third one is grievance handling. Grievance, it means to say if any defect is there, then company how to deal with customer. They listen to the customer's grievance and make them feel comfortable. Now, which type of problem can be there in grievance handling? Any product found broken or in a damaged condition is exchanged immediately by the sales professional. First thing is, if product is broken, it should be changed immediately by the sales professional. Second thing, a modern organization create a toll-free number where customer can call and discuss their queries or create a section in organization's website where customer can register their complaints. After registration of complaints should be sorted out within a time bound of company norms. It should not be delayed, because if it is delayed then customer will be unhappy and next time definitely he will switch to the another company product. Third one is sales take feedback of products and services from customers. Salesman generally it happens is the part of company and customer, that is a mediocre between company and customer, that will try to take the feedback against the product or services that are provided to the customer by the company. Feedback helps the organization to know the customer better and incorporate the necessary changes. It means which type of feedback is given by customer, either it is positive, either it is negative. Company can took action for next time to changing in the product betterment. It means if customer is satisfied, then there is no need to change any production type. But if customer is not satisfied, customer is complaining for particular product, customer is telling some suggestions, that suggestion must be followed by the company for the betterment of product. Next is salesman asks to the customer to sign annual maintenance contract, that is also known as AMC. In this they will take a maintenance contract for a 1 year, for a 2 year as per the norms of company. AMC is an agreement signed between the organization and the customer, where the organizations promise to provide after sales services for certain duration at a nominal cost. If the product is having any problem in particular time bound, then company is responsible to repair the product or changing the product as per the policy of company. If product is not having any problem, in that case there will be no any refunding of money during paid by the customer to company. Now why to provide after sales services? Now question arises, very important question it is, why we need to provide after sales services? After sales services is the essential part of company that will directly affect on sales strategy to satisfy the customer with products and services offered by the organization. It is considered as a part of customer relationship management, because a salesman is a person that is a middleman between company and customer. If a good relationship is created by a salesman with customer, in that case in future it will definitely win the customer loyalty and retain them in future also. It means they will be the loyal customer for a company, and the loyal customer starts believing in the brand and get associated with the organization for a longer duration. A satisfied and happy customer may make repeat order again and again. He speaks good about the product and services, which bring more individual and eventually more revenues for the organization. So after sales services plays a vital role in strengthening the bond between the organization and the customer, and the ultimate purpose of company is to repeat the customer. That can be performed with the help of after sales services provided to the customer that are satisfactory for both sides, which bring more individual and eventually more revenues for the organization. After sales services plays a vital role in strengthening the bond between the organization and customer. So it is easier to retain a loyal customer than to find out a new customer. If someone is moving to your outlet, very first time you will try to motivate the customer, and even you will try to suggest the customer the best product. But after taking the product one time, if you are providing all the services on right time at right place and with a nominal charges, in that case ultimately customer will repeat on your store again and again, and it will increase your company sales. So in this topic we have covered after sales services. Some true false part are also there. We will discuss this part also. It is a part of your assessment activity. Selling and managing are two different type of jobs. As the more a person become a salesman and the less he is a good manager. Yes, it's true. A good salesman is required either than a good manager. Sales people are revenue producer in their firms and try to increase sale volume to contribute company's profitability. Definitely it's true it is, because if sale will increase, salesman will also get promotion from company. Keeping account alive. This is definitely 1 or 2 mark question. Keeping account alive means contacting customer personally by salesman. No, false it is. It is to contact with the customer on regular basis, not personally, in a routine basis. It is called a keeping account alive. It is for a long time contact with a customer. A salesman cannot compel the person to pay, but he has to develop the ability to impel the customer to pay. Yes, it is true. If a salesman will compel to the customer, for next time customer will think negative about the company, so he will not compel to the person to pay, but he has to develop the ability. It means ability to impel the customer to pay. The manufacturers produce product according to their own sweet will and liking. No, they will produce a product according to the customer liking, not their personal liking. So false it is. Next is exercise part 4. A sales territory is a dash area consisting of number of prospects and customers. It is a geographical area, not a political, not an economic area. A dash keep salesman updated, increase his confidence and help in developing his capacity to organize his line of activities in sales field. Options are presentation, meeting and discussion. Because we need to keep updated, for updation, presentation will not work. A meeting is required in which they can check the confidence of their salesman and they can increase the confidence of salesman. Next is salesman can help distributor in point of purchase promotion like dash in showrooms and window display, counter display or both. Both. A salesman can help to the window display also and it can also help to the counter display. Next is business relationship that involve many transactions between buyers and seller and last for many years are called, these are called functional relationship. It means it is for a long time and number of transactions can be performed. If we are discussing about transactional, it is only single time transaction. Customer took the product and it's over. So it is a part of functional relationship. So in this session we have covered topic after sales services and some knowledge exercise part, that is the part of assessment. In next session we will discuss about next topic. If you are having any problem, if you are facing any such type of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 999118890. I again repeat, 999118890. Thank you. Have a nice day.